So, doing a video testing return that I got today of a 2500 Pioneer from Sean. He said it had a high pitched noise, so I'm gonna test it on my bench. I'll test it, take a video of it, throw it on YouTube in case it has a problem, or if it doesn't have a problem, that way you know. So what I got, so I basically set up a quick test setup. So this is just a Pioneer AVH model, same wiring harness, 6 pre-out, same thing. Got going into a 4-channel kicker CXA 360.4 amp, and this actually goes up into 4 speakers on a test board up here. So I got 4 speakers up there. Subwoofer isn't hooked up, but that amp's going up to those 4 speakers, and then the 4 actual speaker leads, for the left front, right front, and the 2 rears goes to these 4 JBLs on the wire harness back here. So this is all working. I'll play it. So and it's nice and clear. When your dreams all fail in the working good. Working real good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to shut it off, and essentially it's the exact same stereo system. It's Pioneer, same outputs, same connections. So I'm just literally going to swap it out. So I'm going to pull this off of here, pull the 4 pre-outs for that, my USB, and the speaker cable. I'm going to set that to the side. Actually, take this box. This thing's flopping around here, which is not good, but it's actually moving in there. The post office drops it on its corner. Could be damaged. So hopefully it's not. So when I pack these, I pack it in tight so the stereo can't move. So it's basically touching the bottom down there. So hopefully it's not damaged. So they throw stuff around in the post office, boy. There's a piece of plastic just fell off of someplace here, so it got tossed around pretty good. Screen looks okay. I don't know where this plastic came from. Black piece of plastic. But that wasn't packed very well to start with. Here's the wire harness. I'm going to pull that off out of there. Boy. I don't know where that black piece of plastic came from. Anyways, so I'll hook up the front and rears. Let's see. So I use just a little tiny old iPhone 5C. I just take the reverse and I ground it. It gives you a warning if you don't do it. Throw the switch and see if she fires on. Actually, you can watch, make sure it turns on the amp remotely once it powers on. Right. So kicked into the Apple CarPlay, got a green light on the amp, so that's connected. I'm just going to play some music and see if we get a high-pitched noise. Just gonna continue the same song.
Shelter you, but with the beast inside, there's nowhere we can hide. No matter what we breed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come. When you feel my heat, look into my eyes. It's where my demon.
I'm gonna pause it. So I'm not hearing a thing. It sounds good. Play a different song here, something just acoustical. That way you can hear it's just a guitar. I'm gonna crank up the volume a little bit. But high pitch, it's almost always across speaker wires. Or if you're hooking a wire harness up to you got a car that has 6 speakers in it. These are meant for 4 fronts, rears, and subs. So.
Dreams of you all through my head. Fortune teller said I'd be free, and that's the day you came to me.
I didn't touch that. I mean, I literally powered it on and just started playing it. Didn't touch any of the settings in it, so.
Come to me, my sweetest friend. Can you feel my heart again? I'll take you back where you belong. And this will be your favorite song. Come to me with secrets bare. I'll love you more, so don't be scared. And when we're old and near the end, we'll go home and start again. I got you burning photographs that could save you from your past. History is like gravity, it holds you down away from me. You and me, we both got sins, and I don't care about where you've been. Don't be sad, don't explain. This is where we start again.
Alrighty, so I'll turn this into a little YouTube video, send it to Sean, and let him know that he definitely had a problem with the wiring in his car. So it's almost always you got crossed wires for your speakers or your harnesses, just the wrong one. Especially if your car has 6 or 8 speakers in it. This will drive 4 speakers, won't drive 8. So power it right off. I'm just not hearing anything other than a little bit of noise from up there. Nothing. So I'll let it sit here for a little bit. But really not hearing anything, so. Nothing there. So, cool. So, I'll stop the video now.